Kingdom. Gary and I got some awesome fast passes today.
3 nights are good, no finger needed.
All right, thank you. So we've got Haunted Mansion, Thunder Mountain, Jungle Cruise maybe? I'd have to look, I don't remember. We'll be just as surprised as you. Hey everybody, we are here at Magic Kingdom today, and guess who we ran into? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Can't do it without me!
Jenn Lee from Park Ohana! Hello! Check out their channel because it is phenomenal. You will love it. They have everything. I obsess on them. Ooh, we're like kids in a candy store. Gary needs to replenish his Jelly Bellies because I kept eating all of his popcorn ones. Sorry, Gary. They were really good, though. Thank you.
That's okay.
Hey, did you get plenty of popcorn?
I got 2 of popcorn.
Is that enough?
If you want me to put another one in, I can do that. I got very cherry. Toasted marshmallow.
Those cherry ones was really good, and I'm kind of addicted to the toasted marshmallow. Yeah. Wow, yeah, I'll have them. Wow, good Lord. It looks like it's not going to close.
It'll close. If it doesn't, I'll just have to...
I have to eat some.
Some of the load out of it. Not that I would do something like that.
Yeah, he would.
Yeah, that's pretty up there.
Yeah.
It's very colorful though.
Mm-hmm. Gary's Jelly Bellies just cost $17.59. $17.59 for Jelly Bellies. And the awesome thing is I'm paying for it. Awesome. We are on our way to Haunted Mansion. We have a fast pass for that. We love it so much. It's pretty awesome.
Foolish mortals to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? This chamber has no windows and no doors.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, all in the spirits, wherever they're at. Rap on a tape, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
We're here at Tortuga Tavern, Magic Kingdom. brisket sandwich, and it's got some sort of a pineapple coleslaw on it. And then they got house-made chips, and we got a rum cake, and the cost was $15.96.
We did not get a drink.
We did not get a drink. We're going to cut the sandwich in half. We're going to kind of split things. All right, Gary, grab some of that and tell me what you think about it.
Oh my God. It just melts in your mouth.
Really?
Oh man.
Well, then step aside, brother. I need to be trying this. I'm going to grab a chunk out of here.
That had been cooked about 6 months ago.
No, that's super good. Let me try the sandwich.
Yeah, so
He gave me like a fourth of the sandwich.
I can cut it.
Wow, that's really, really good. That was really good. I'm going to try one of these house chips.
Really salty.
That was like a salt lick. My gosh. That was super salty. Good grief. They'll sell a lot of beverages that way. That sandwich is amazing though. All right, Gary. You want to try that rum cake and tell me what you think? Now make sure you save me some sauce. So what does it taste like?
It tastes pretty good. I thought it was going to be dry,
But it's not?
no, it is very dense.
It's what? Oh.
Compacted.
Oh, maybe they soaked it.
That type of thing always does that anyway.
All right, let me test drive this. It's kind of got a little bit of a gingerbread or something taste to it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, wait a second. Was I eating off of your half? Oops. Yeah, that's really good. Brisket was so tender, it was actually like pulled pork kind of tender. I've never had brisket that tender.
Never had pulled pork yet.
And that was really, really good. And then it had like a pineapple slaw to it. Super good. The chips had like a lime salt on it, but it was so over salted that I was scraping the salt off of it. Because it was almost gag worthy. It had too much salt. Really bad. The rum cake's amazing. The chips would have been good had they not like caked it.
You can see all this.
That rum cake's amazing. Tortuga Tavern at Magic Kingdom. Amazing. Very, very good. I'd definitely get this one again. Yeah? Would you get that one again?
Yeah.
Hi. And just like that, we are heading up the hill to go on Thunder Mountain. My favorite. We're getting ready to get on Thunder Mountain Railroad. I'm so excited.
You can't hide it.
Are you ready?
For your safety, remain seated with your hands arms.
so much fun. Oh my gosh, that's fun.
Always.
I had to grab my phone a couple times because it wanted to come out of my side pocket. That wouldn't have been good. My absolute favorite ride in the wilderness. Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
So you want to scan his as well. I'm just going to let you book some other ones. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to be your skipper today. I'm also going to be your dance instructor, your social director, and a shoulder to cry on. Who here likes the Jungle Book? Yeah. There it is. So I did set up a party for you guys. It was going to be dancing and food, but no one showed up. I guess no one wanted to see. I'm so sorry. But don't worry, there's still going to be entertainment on this cruise. If you look to your left, you'll see a massive boa constrictor. So these things can actually eat a child whole. So parents, if you have any stress and you need relief, I will look away for the next 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are some tigers taking care of a sleeping horse. Isn't that wonderful? Horses feel much more protected when they're surrounded by tigers. Some tea. I'm going to be on this boat for a while. Shoot! Get out of here! Watch it! Dive it! I just saved your guys' lives. You're welcome. They're having a party, a lot better than what I would have thrown you. So they're dancing up there in a circle. That means one of two things. One, they forgot how to square dance. Or two, there's going to be an ambush. But don't worry, ambushes are always on the right side, and I don't see anybody under there. Oh my gosh, on the left! Everybody duck! Everybody duck! We're going to get out of here! Don't worry about looking stupid. I'm going to do it for the last 10 minutes. Alright, I think we're in the clear. Alright, if you were hit by a spear, please throw it back. You're not allowed to have souvenirs. And now what you all been waiting for? The backside of water! So now here we are in a beautiful Indian elephant bathing pool. Now you can't take photos of them because they wore their trucks today. They say an elephant never forgets. They never forget to show up when I'm trying to give a tour. So, elephants and hippos are kind of similar in ways that they like to also wear clothes, but their little fun is that they like to wear heads, so those are kind of fun. Now, I do mean this from the bottom of my heart, though, guys. You, out of every other tour I've given today, you guys are definitely the most recent.
All right, so that's going to do it for us tonight. Really, really good day. We caught some great rides, had some really good food, seen some cool stuff. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. And thank you guys so much for watching. Also check out some of our other great videos that we have on the parks, the resorts, the rides, Skyliner rides, day trips, things like that. There's a lot of great information out there I think you'll really like. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.